Hello everyone, my name is Amechi Raphael Chinedu. I'm here again on Gopexly, the first social investing platform in Nigeria that is going to build a community of talented investors, track market analysis and what the NGX is doing, and also help users to manage their bulk portfolios. So this is going to be very big, and it's very important that every person who is interested in having knowing about the Nigerian stock market, get this application. Currently, it's in the MVP stage, and we only have it in the web application using the link www.gopexly.com. For now, if you're just on the web, you can access this with your phone, with your laptop, with your tablet, with whatever you have. But soon, we're going to be moving to the Android app and the iOS app. We're working on that phase. But for now, let's keep testing the app. Feel free to give us any criticism, anything you feel that needs to be improved, that needs to be done better, that needs to be done well. We'll be very grateful to get those feedback from you. So let's log into the account I'm going to be using to show you how the home feed works. So I assume you've created an account before now. So I'll just log in with my account details. Awesome. So this is how the homepage of Gopexly looks like. If you haven't logged in before, this is what it looks like. On the home screen, you can see that we have the navigation menu on one side. We have the user profile on this side. We have messages, notifications. People can create posts from here or this place. You can always create something, post something, discuss something. So you can see people are already talking about like giving educational advice, talking about stocks, shares. People are doing some stuff here, right? You can see. And also, you have the capacity to follow somebody. So let's say you like what this guy is posting every time, what they're discussing about is very insightful and nice for you. You can follow them so you can see their subsequent or their future messages. You can see whoever you're following. Let's say you want to read messages from only those who you're following. So this is a new account. I'm not following anyone, but let's say I decide to follow this person, and then let me refresh. When I go to my following now, you see I have one person I'm following. I can always read the messages from them and see what they're talking about. Again, one key feature on this homepage is this. I'm going to show you something because we are just building this app not just for conversational sake, but for people to discuss things that they actually hold, like for people to talk about stocks, shares, and things that they hold. So when you go to the conventional messaging platform like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, people can say, "Oh, buy MTN shares. MTN is going to get high." Sorry, just for educational purposes. I'm not advising or saying any of such. So when you hear this kind of information, you don't know if you have to FOMO into it and just go and buy, or you have to like do your own research. And then you don't even know if the person who is explaining this thing to you is currently holding an MTN stock. So it's like telling you to buy something you're not sure if they hold it or not. So how about a platform where you're very sure that the person who is telling you to buy this is holding that in their portfolio? Now just take a look at what we have here. I'm going to open this part. So take a look at this. I want to buy. Please advise on Okomo oil share. It's telling you that the current price for Okomo oil is like the current daily trading price has made no move. So it's still on 0.0%. But this person is holding 85.2% of their total portfolio in Okomo oil. Now, if this person is giving you advice about Okomo oil, it's easy for you to listen because they are holding 85% of this in their portfolio. And I'm going to show you a couple of things. So this helps to build trust so that you know that the person that is talking about a particular stock is holding it in their portfolio. And then we have the news. So here we put out NGX news, things that are very important, like latest trending news. We put them out here. But the most important part is the the news feed. So it's very important that you go through the news feed every day, share your information, share what you know. It's a community driven platform. So it's not like there is somebody that has to post everything every day. No, it's going to be posted and built by the community, strictly by the community. So people discuss what they want, build their trust value. And for instance, you can actually have so many followers from here. As this app grows, You can be the number one person who has the maximum number of followers. It's going to be a very big thing in the nearest future. So the earlier you start posting, teaching people, talking about what you know, the better for you, you know. So when you go from the home feed, from the post feed, let's say you open this person, you want to see this person's portfolio. We've built a level of trust. We've built a level of trust that shows what people are buying, what they are holding. But I'm going to discuss about this in next video so that you see how it works. So that's all about how the homepage and the post feed works. See you in my next video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.